Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with free video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your GK sample paper with solutions.
Hello kids, how are you all? Today we are going to do sample paper 3 of class 3rd for GK subject. Okay, let's start. Our first question. This planet has a dense atmosphere of carbon dioxide. Name it. Now 4 options are Venus, Mars, Mercury and Neptune. So our option A is the correct one for question number first. Option A. Next question. Scientists are exploring a celestial body that might host liquid water. Identify it. Question number 2. Answer is Europa. Europa, option C is correct for second question. It is one of the Jupiter moon, which is like exploring a celestial body in the host liquid water. Next question. Option number 3. Question number 3. A day on this planet is longer than its year. Which planet is it? So answer is option A, Venus. Venus has a day longer than its year. Okay. Next question. Question number 4. Colorful leaves scatter the ground, creating a magical scene. Guess the season. So the answer to it is autumn. Option A. Because in this season, the trees shade their leaves. That's why they all scatter on the ground, creating a magical scene. Next, fifth question. Umbrellas and gumboots are used frequently during this wet period. What is it? Now, you all know that wet season is monsoon season. Option A. In this season, we require umbrellas and gumboots. Okay. Question number 6. People cozy up by a warm fire as temperatures drop. Which season it is? Now it is option B, winter, because it is the coldest season of the year. So in this time, we need warm fires to keep the temperature normal. Okay. Next, question number 7. The invention of first computer mouse paved the way for modern computing. Who is responsible for this essential device? So answer is option A, Douglas Engelbart. He invented mouse in 1960s, which was very essential device. Next, question 8. The creation of a small personal machine set the stage for the digital age. Who is the inventor behind the first personal computer? The answer to this is Ed Roberts. Option A is the correct answer because he is considered as the father of personal computer. Okay. Next, question number 9. The invention of the first successful parachute allowed humans to descend safely from great heights. Who is credited with this life-saving innovation? The answer to this is option D, Louis Sebastian Lenormand. He is the person who is credited for this successful parachute for humans, which is a life-saving innovation. Next, question number 10. The invention of the aeroplane drastically transformed modern air travel. Who is recognized for inventing the first successful powered aeroplane? Now, who is responsible for this? So, option A, Wright brothers is the correct answer because they are the they made the first successful motor operated airplane in 1903. Next question. Question 11. Which hormone is responsible for regulating growth and development within the human body? Answer is growth hormone. This is the hormone which is responsible for regulating growth and development in the human body. 12th question. Exposure to sunlight triggers the body to produce a vital vitamin. What is the name of this vitamin? So, what is this vitamin? It is vitamin D. Option C is the correct answer for 12th question. It is essential for calcium absorption and bone health. Vitamin D. Next, question number 13. What is the process by which food is broken down in the body and nutrients are absorbed to fuel bodily functions? So answer is digestion. C. Option C is the correct answer because digestion is very important process where the food is broken down in the body and nutrients are absorbed to fuel the bodily functions. Question number 14. The large intestine plays an important role in digestion. What essential substance does it absorb from food during the digestive process? So, the essential substance which it absorbs is option A, water, because it absorbs water and electrolytes from the remains and indigestible food and passes the useless waste material from the body. Okay, next question. 15th question. A person experiences difficulty breathing due to blockage in their airway. Which organ in the body is most likely impacted? So, answer to this is option A, lungs. Because lungs are the organ which are mostly impacted with this occurrence, blockage. Question number 16. KYC is a common term used in banking and financial services. What does this acronym stand for and why is it important? Now, what is KYC? KYC is option A, know your customer. This is the correct answer. And what it does? It is the essential process for financial instructions to verify the identity of the clients to prevent the fraud. So, it is very important. Question number 17. URL is an abbreviation that frequently appears in web addresses. What does it stand for and what role does it serve on the internet? So URL, the detailed is answer is Uniform Resource Locator, and option B is the correct answer for this. And what does it do? So it address it is the address of given unique resource on world wide web which allows browser to locate and retrieve it or retrieve the data. Question number 18. PDF is commonly used file format for documents. What does this abbreviation stand for and how is it typically used? So PDF means portable document format, which is option B, and it is a file format used to present documents. Okay. Question number 19. A student receives a letter containing the abbreviation CBSC. Now, what does this acronym represent and what does it pertain to? CBSC, the full form of CBSC is Central Board of Secondary Education. So, option A is the correct answer. It is the national level board of education in India for public and private schools. Okay. Next question. 20. SIM is a term often encountered in mobile communication. What does SIM stand for and how does it function in mobile devices? So the full form of SIM is Subscriber Identity Module. Now, this means that what does the SIM do? SIM means it is like function in mobile devices to identify and authenticate the information stored. Okay, so option A is the correct answer. 21. The city of Prague, located in the Czech Republic, is situated on the banks of which river that plays a central role in the city's geography? So, the city of Prague is located on the river Vltava. Option A. It is the longest river in Czech Republic. Okay. Next question, question number 22. Buenos Aires, the bustling capital of Argentina, is located near which major river that has greatly influenced the city's development? So it is situated on option A, Rio de la Plata. This is the answer for 22 question. Next, Cape Town, a city in South Africa known for its stunning natural beauty, is located near the banks of which river? So Cape Town is located near the river Steenbras, option D. Next, 24th question. Which river flows through the heart of Bangkok, Thailand, serving as a central feature of city's landscape and cultural significance? So the river which flows in the heart of Bangkok, Thailand is option D, Chao Phraya. Okay. Option D is the correct answer for 24th question. 25th question. Venice, a city famous for its canals, is located on the banks of which river, which adds to its unique geography? So, Venice is located on the river Po. Option B is the correct answer for 25th question. 26th question. Which continent is home to the country of Egypt and Sahara Desert? So, Africa is the continent which is the home to the country of Egypt and Sahara Desert. 27th question. Which of the following is an example of continent located entirely in the southern hemisphere? So options are South America, Africa, Antarctica, and Europe. And answer is option C, Antarctica. It is the continent which is located entirely in the southern hemisphere. Next question, 28th. A continent home to animals like lions and elephants is called what? It is option A, Africa. Africa is the continent which is like home to animals like lion and elephants because it has diverse wildlife in it. So this is the correct answer. 29th. The Earth's surface is divided into several tectonic plates. Which is the largest? So answer A, Pacific plate is the correct answer for this because it is the largest plate. Next, 30th. What is the name of the ocean that lies to the west of North America? So answer is Pacific Ocean because it is the ocean that lies to the west of North America. 31st question. A mission collecting samples from an asteroid is classified as, it is classified as sample return. Okay, option B is the correct answer for 31st. 32. A faint hazy structure visible in the night sky is identified as, it is identified as, answer is Milky Way because it appears as dim, cloudy and hazy structure. Okay, next. 33. A player is ejected from a match for engaging in unsporting behavior. What could be the coach response to this situation? So, what would be behavior? Coach behavior will be replace the player because you have to replace the player if he's not sporting in the game. Option Option B, A is the correct answer. Question number 34. Next question, 34. The Great Barrier Reef, known for its coral beauty, is located in which country? It is located in option A, Australia. It is the coast of Queensland, Australia. Okay. Next, 35. A famous tower leans to one side and is located in Italy. What is it called? It is called Leaning Tower of Pisa, option A as the correct answer because it is famous for its unintended tilt. Okay, next question. The tallest mountain in the world is located in Nepal and Tibet. What is it called? It is called Mount Everest. It is the tallest mountain in the world. Next, a huge wall protects the Forbidden City in China. What is this structure known as? This structure is known as option A, Great Wall of China. This is the series of fortifications generally built along east to west line across northern borders of the China. Okay. Next question, 38. A giant statue of Buddha sits in the temple in Japan. What is this statue called? This is called Great Buddha of Kamakura. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Next, a story is conveyed through a sequence of pictures and text presenting a narrative in the structured format. What type of media is being used in this case? It is comic book. Option B, because it is the book in which the sequence of pictures and text is presented so that it makes the book interesting. Okay, last question, question number 40. Among the different forms of media, which one is considered the most interactive, allowing for active engagement and feedback from the audience? Options are television, radio, social media, and newspaper. So the correct option is option C, social media, because social media is the platform which they are built of two-way communication and user interaction. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Okay. Bye bye. End of the paper. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.